Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to discuss my husband's favorite wigs on me. I was asked this question several times by viewers. What are your husband's favorite wigs on you? So we're going to discuss that today, and some of these might surprise you. Coming up. I interviewed my husband about this. So when I asked him the question, honey, what are your favorite wigs on me? You've seen me in hundreds of styles through the years. What are some of your favorites? So he gave us some really serious thought, and he come back and he said, my favorite wig on you is whichever one you're wearing. He said, you look beautiful in all of them. And it was like, oh, right? But you know, he always says that. He never ever claims a favorite, but I can tell that there are some wigs that he likes more than others. And so I had him go down through a list of ones I thought he really enjoyed on me, and he pointed out the ones that were his favorites. So I'm going to share those with you today. Now I'm going to start with the one that I'm wearing. Now this is a new style. It's a new style by Raquel Welch called it Head of the Curve in SS 1488. I just got this wig last week, but over the weekend I wore this wig when we went out, and he complimented me heavily on it. See, my husband knows me. He knows that short to mid-length kind of a wavy layered style is just me. It's me. It's my personality. So even though he loves some of these voluptuous, sexy, long wigs, like most men do, right? They like to have that little trophy wife on their arm. Makes them look good too. He knows that I'm happiest when I'm wearing something that's shorter and layered and possibly curly. And so he knows that, and I just come to light. He says that, you know, it's just me. It just resonates with me. My eyes are brighter. I smile more. I move freely. So this has become one of his favorite wig styles for that reason. And this again is that Raquel Welch's Ahead of the Curve. Love it. Look at all this layering. Okay, without further ado, let's move on then. Now the next one might surprise you. See, my husband also knows that curls are something that makes me happy. In fact, when he met me, I just had this little short crop of curls. I kind of smoothed it out in the front. So let's go ahead and take a look at that one now. So here it is. This is probably his favorite all-time wig on me. This is Ellen Villa's Turn in Champagne Rooted. A couple of different reasons. It's just me. It's my personality. It's short. It's cute and movable. I'm a very energetic person. This wig has really seen a lot of milestones. You know, new jobs, and my son got married this past year, and I wore this style to his wedding. So because I knew I'd feel comfortable. This is just me. Might not be the most beautiful wig in the world, but it's me. So I'm going to move on to some more pieces. His eye is always drawn, and he really likes curls on me because he knows that's my personality. They're fresh, they're fun, they're whimsical, they're energetic. Let's do it. This was a shocker to me too. But every time I wear Belle Tress Twix, he always remarks on my wig. He loves it. He says, I just love that. I just love all that curl. Now, he grew up in the 70s, graduated in the early 80s. I graduated in the mid 80s, and we just both experienced this kind of look throughout our formative years. And so there's a little bit of nostalgia here, I'm sure. But he knows how much I love curl, and I just love, love, love the wild, free look of this wig. Now, I rarely go out without styling it, and one of the ways that I styled it, one way was I take it back like this, away from the face. It just never fails to draw compliments either. People, oh, I love your hair, just love your hair. And the other way that I wear it is just by doing sort of a fat, loose, scrunchy ponytail. So I've got a scrunchie here, and I like taking it back like this Okay, so you've got your pony, but then I pull out to give it a little bit of profile right here. And sometimes I'll take a piece of the fiber and wrap it around if it's a skinny or scrunchy, so just like it looks like a piece of hair that's holding that. But he loves it. He loves how it lights up my face, and he knows I feel beautiful in this wig style. Okay, on to another one, and guess what? It's also curly. All right, so you're gonna guess right away which one this is, right? This is Editor's Pick and Shaded Biscuit, but it's the Editor's Pick Elite. I took this one with me down to my son's wedding, and until the day I wasn't sure whether I was gonna wear this one or the turn, and I ended up wearing the turn. But he knows I love this wig, and I think because this is one of my all-time favorites over the past 6 years. This one came on the scene in 2006. Well, the original Editor's Pick was 2016. I've worn it so much. In fact, he recognizes it now when I wear it to go out. He'll say, "Is that your Editor's Pick?" Yes, it is. And he knows I love it. And he knows that I feel good and I feel beautiful in it. And therefore, he always compliments me on it. And he loves it too. It's just the right length. This beautiful curl. It's absolutely timeless of a style. It's good for more casual outings. It's great for special occasions. It looks realistic. We've got that lace front, full monofilament top there. Beautiful, isn't it? Oh, every time I put it on, I'm like, yep, I love it. I love it, and so does he. Okay, there are so many wig styles that he loves, but I cannot give you his list of favorites without showing you this style. Now, this style I've had since 2016. It has been discontinued by the manufacturer, but it's still a winner, and every time I put it on, he just says, I love that wig. And that's a good telltale sign. Any guesses of what this might be? I was sad when they discontinued it, but I gotta tell you that the wig lasts forever. So at least, I can take it out and wear it, and it looks great every time, even after all of these years. This is Rene of Paris's Heather in Creamy Blonde. And I wore this one to my son's graduation. My youngest son graduated in 2017. I wore this to his graduation outside. I got so many compliments because you see everybody you know, right? It's in kind of community events like that. And it's just beautiful, isn't it? It's a cute little asymmetrical pixie, boy cut pixie. It's got nice volume, just a perfect amount of volume on the top. And then it's tapered all the way around. It just flatters my particular face shape. But these are just a few standouts for my husband, Bill, and he loves my wigs. He absolutely loves my wigs. Now, let me just say that when I am running around the house during the day or in the evenings, I'm not wearing wig most of the time. No wig, no makeup. And he's still very complimentary, and you know me, I'm buzzing my hair and stuff, and he even likes that. So I would love to hear from you guys. What is your husband's favorite wig on you? Or your partner or significant other? I would love to hear about that and why they like it so much. We'll see you soon right here on TAZ's Wig Closet.